Did you that ChatGPT can respond in Luganda, aka Ganda, one of the remarkable languages in the eastern part of Africa, used by the Baganda in Uganda. ChatGPT's proficiency in Luganda is especially beneficial for those who want to learn the language. Students and individuals who are not native speakers can use ChatGPT to practice speaking, writing, and understanding Luganda. By engaging in conversations with the AI, learners can familiarize themselves with vocabulary, sentence structure, and grammar. This interactive learning experience can supplement traditional language education methods. The use of Luganda in healthcare communication is critical, especially in rural areas where English proficiency might be limited. ChatGPT can assist healthcare workers in translating medical information or answering patient queries in Luganda. It can also help in providing general health education and awareness in the language that resonates most with the community. As languages evolve and as more people shift to using global languages such as English, some regional languages face the risk of being forgotten. ChatGPT helps preserve Luganda by encouraging its use in the digital age. The AI can be utilized in various online platforms, such as blogs, social media, and messaging apps, to keep the language alive and relevant in today's technological landscape.